So today, this evening, I'll invite you to join me in which I have named this reflection piece as the Symphony of Om Shanti. As I look at my world, I sometimes find myself asking the question, can I really, as an individual, make a difference? Can I fulfill the promise of peace? And if I can, is there a unique gift that I have that I can contribute to world peace? The image of Indra's net comes in front of my third eye, the eye of the soul, the eye of insight. And this image gives me a simple clarity to my inquiry. Indra's net is like an invisible web of life stretching out to all corners of the world. And we souls are all individual jewels that shine our unique light of soul consciousness in our specific places on this net. There are 4 movements in Indra's net that set up the symphony of peace. The 4 movements are individual, interrelation, interdependent, and interconnected. Om Shanti. I am an individual soul, and peace is my nature. Peace is my spiritual right. I, the soul, am an individual jewel shining with radiance on Indra's net, the web of life. I, the individual soul, the jewel of light, I'm beaming light from the consciousness of being life. I'm radiating spiritual light from my specific place on this web of life. Om Shanti. I'm aware of the interrelation on the web of life. In the awareness of being a peaceful soul, I can feel my spiritual relation to other souls on the web of life. I can feel the presence of the other souls that are not so far away from where I am. I notice that each soul is also reflecting their unique light. And the amazing discovery is that each soul's unique light is reflected in the light of the other, creating a rosary of light. It is as if each light is spiritually related, and there is this interrelation of spiritual lights. I feel this is what is meant by the circle of life. A circle of life of which we are all part. Each one's light looks the same, but each one's light is unique in their expression. It is as if this unique expression of my individual light shines its brightest only when I can see the unique light in the other jewels of light. Om Shanti. I'm living in an interdependent world. On a planet of interdependence. I'm living in harmony within the living system of my home planet. Just as I observe the interrelation of all the jewels of light on the web of life, I observe the peaceful interdependence of the natural patterns, processes, and parts of planet Earth, and how they continually affect one another. How they all come together. And in this coming together, they produce a breathtaking synergy in nature. Om Shanti. I, the soul, am connected to the source of undivided peace. The source of light, Indra, the supreme being, God, is the invisible life force moving through the net, connecting all the individual lights of souls in an illuminating embrace of harmonious peace. The individual lights are held together in an exalted embrace, and we together shine as the collective whole with the strength of the source. And together we share peace, the light of peace, to the entire universe. This is the ultimate promise of peace. This is my unique contribution to peace. When I live in the symphony of Om Shanti, in the movements of the individual, interrelation, interdependence, and interconnection, I can make Om Shanti a sacred, everyday experience that opens me to light, to love, and to liberation in life, to freedom. Om Shanti.